Good morning, my dear children. This is Fancy Jose from Mount Carmel School. Today I am here with class 5th Maths. This is your Maths book, Inspired Maths. This is of class 5th. In the last video, we were on chapter 5. So today also we are continuing that chapter 5, Factors and Multiples. Yesterday we have learned about factor tree and prime factorization, and in today's lesson we are going to learn highest common factor or HCF. So all of you listen carefully, because many children got confused how to find HCF and LCM. So in today's video I will explain to you in detail what is HCF and how to find it. Okay, we will get started. First we will see what is the definition of highest common factor or HCF. The highest common factor, HCF, and it can also be known as greatest common divisor, is the greatest number which divides two or more numbers without a remainder. So what is this? The number that is the highest common factor or the greatest common divisor that divides two or more numbers without leaving a remainder is known as highest common factor. And for finding HCF, there are two methods. One is listing method. Here we will list all the common factors and we will take the highest common factor. Here one example is there. You can see this. Find the HCF of 12 and 16. So first we have to write all the factors of 12. You have already learned how to write. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And we have to find now the factors of 16. Here the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now you have to find out what are the common factors. Here you can see 1 is common, 2 is common and 4 is also common. Okay, only these three are common factors. So first you write what are the common factors. The common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. So here the highest common factor is 4. Clear? This is our next method to find HCF. This method is known as prime factorization method. Yesterday we have learned how to find prime factors. So in the same way we will take all the prime factors, then we will take the common prime factors, then we will multiply the common prime factors to get HCF. We will see this example. First we have taken out all the prime factors of 44, then of 60, then of 36. Then we have written like this: 44, 2 into 2 into 11, 60, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And from this we will take the common factors. Here 2 is repeating in all the three numbers. So this one, then again one more 2 is repeating. So this 2 also. Okay, so 2 into 2. What is the highest common factor? Our highest common factor is 4. Clear? So these are the two methods. Now we will solve some questions. Then it will be clear to you how to find it. Okay, so I will show you. So I am solving the questions from exercise 5.3. Okay. So our first question is that we are finding out highest common factor, that is HCF or greatest common divisor, GCD. So this is our first question. Find the HCF by finding all the factors. By finding all factors means you have to use the listing method. This method is known as listing method. That is, here you have to list all the factors first. Okay, so we will see. Here the question is 24 and 36. So first you have to find out factors of 24. we will write factors of 24. First one 1, then 2, then 3, 4, then 6 is also a factor, 8 is also a factor, 12 is also a factor of 24, and 24. Okay, these are the factors of 24. We have already learned how to find this, okay, in the last video. That is, factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. In the same way, we will write the factors of 36. First factor is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Okay. Now we have found out factors of 24 and factors of 36. From this, now you have to take out all the common factors. Common factors means what are the common in this both? 1 is common, 2 is also common, 3 is also common, 4 is also common, 6 is also common, then 8 and 9, no, then 12 is also common. So this you have to write. So first you write common factors. Common factors of 24 and 36. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the common factors, and what you have to find out? You have to find out the highest common factor. Highest common factor. In this, what is the highest common factor? 12. So what is the HCF? Here the HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Okay. Okay, it is easy method, but when you find HCF and LCM, one thing you have to remember that you have to do it very, very carefully. That's it. Clear? So I will explain it again. Our question was find the HCF by finding all factors. That is, we have to find through listing method. So first we have taken the factors of 24, then the factors of 36. And from this you have taken out all the common factors, and you have to write here HCF, that is the highest common factor, that is 12. Clear? Okay, now we will do the next question. See, this is our second question. Find the HCF of 20 and 30. So first we write factors of 20. Factors of 20. What are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, then 10, then 20. These are the factors of 20. Next you have to write the factors of 30. Okay, we will write the factors of 30. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These are the factors of 30. So here the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. From this you have to write the common factors. What are the common factors of 20 and 30? Common factors of 20 and 30 are 1, 2 is there, 5 is also there, then 10 is there. Okay, these are the common factors of 20 and 30. Now you have to write the highest common factors. What is the highest common factor here? 10. So our answer is highest common factor is 10. Okay, this question was clear to you all. We will do one more question by this method only, that is 45, 65 and 75. Here three numbers are there. You have to find the HCF of these three numbers. In the same method, you write the factors of 45 first. Factors of 45. Factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. These are the factors of 45. Now write the factors of 65. Okay. Here factors of 65 are 1, 5, 13, then 65. These are the factors of 65. And third one, factors of 75. Okay. 75. The factors are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. These are the factors of 75. Okay. From this you write the common factors. Common factors of 45, 65 and 75. What are the common factors? You can see here 1 is repeating in all the three and 5 is also there, and any other number? No. So two common factors are there, 1 and 5. And what is the highest common factor? What is the highest number in this? 5. So our highest common factor is 5. Okay. So we have seen that how to find the HCF by listing method. Okay. Listing method. Okay. Hope this video was clear to you all. The next method, that is prime factorization method, I will show you in the next video. Okay. Thank you all of you.